How are we doing? Thank you for coming back to Mark's Family Cooking. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can make a really easy vegetable curry with 6 different ingredients that you're going to generally have in your store cupboard, all tinned or jarred ingredients. And you're going to need 1 fresh ingredient, and that's an onion. This really is a really simple dish to make. As I've said in my bio, in what I do, I'm a working dad, and I like to eat tasty home-cooked food, which is sometimes easy and quick. This takes approximately 25 minutes to cook. It's really, really easy. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's full of natural proteins. Let's check out what you need. Let's check out how you can cook it.
You need curry paste, 250 grams of red lentils, 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, tin of chickpeas, tin of coconut milk, 2 sliced onions and a cinnamon stick. Set a pan on a medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil, and then add your sliced onions. It's important to make sure that your oil isn't too hot, otherwise you're going to start burning your onions. So keep it medium to low and give your onions a good stir. You want to cook them out for about 5 minutes so they're nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoons of curry paste. I'm using Tikka Masala curry paste because I don't want too much spice, so it's too hot for my children. Give your curry paste a good stir to make sure you're coating those lovely, soft and golden onions, and then drop in your cinnamon stick whole. Pour in your lentils and give them a good stir to start coating them in the lovely flavours developing in your pan. All you want to do is give it a stir, make sure it doesn't stick on the bottom, and really get round the edges of your pan to get everything nicely coated. Tip in your tin of chopped tomatoes. I'm using Aldi's everyday tomatoes, nothing too fancy. Give them a stir and then add your tinned coconut milk. I'm using a reduced fat coconut milk. Give it a good stir to combine everything, making sure everything's mixed in really well, leaving your cinnamon stick in there for flavour, and then tip in your drained chickpeas. Again, giving everything a really good stir so everything's nicely mixed up and combined. Add 500 ml of boiling water to the pan. Increase the heat, and you want to start bringing it up to a nice boil so you really get your curry sauce sort of blubbing away. Reduce it down, give everything a good stir, and as I said, you want to reduce the heat to low to make sure you're not burning it on the bottom. Keep stirring it throughout, and after about 20 minutes your lentils are going to be nice and tender and cooked, and your sauce is going to be lovely and thick. You just want to check the tenderness for your lentils, making sure there's no real bite in them. Add a good pinch of salt to season it. Make sure you stir it in, and that's how you cook an easy vegan curry.
And that's it. That's how you make this vegetarian or even vegan curry. You can add little bits of things at the end. You can add a bit of lemon juice just to give it a bit of tang, or you can give it a bit of sugar to give it that little bit of extra sweetness. Develop it as you want. This is a base ingredient. You can add other things to it. You can add aubergine, you can add some coriander for a little bit of freshness. But let me know how you get on in the comment section below. Any questions, please feel free to ask. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you can check me out on the socials, on Instagram and Facebook as Mark's Family Cooking. Thanks very much for taking a look. Feel free to check out some of my other videos, and hopefully see you again soon.